Yeah, now the question is what? Find the eighth term from the end of GP. What is the GP given? The GP is 3 comma 6 comma 12 comma 24 so on 6144. Here first term A is equal to 3. First term A is equal to 3 and common ratio, very easy, this is common ratio. L is equal to 6 by 3, 12 by 6, whatever it is, that is 6 by 3 is equal to 2. 2 is the common ratio. And the last term, small l, we taken in the proof, small l. That small l is equal to 6144. Now, nth term from end of GP is Tn is equal to L by R power n minus 1. Eighth term we require to find. Eighth term is just n equal to 8, you have to substitute. Nth term means Tn. Eighth term means T8. Therefore, T8 is equal to L by L is what? 6144. This is L value. Okay. By R power. What is R? Common ratio is 2. 2 power n minus 1. N is 8. 8 minus 1 is equal to 6144 by 2 power 8 minus 1, 7. Now we have to cancel this value. That is 6144. I am writing here 6144 by 2 power 7 na, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 plus 4, 7. Now with 1 I am cancelling first. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja 6, 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4. Next again 1 2, 2 1 ja 2, 1 7 17, 2 8 ja 16, again 1 2 12, 2 6 ja 12, one more 2, 2 1 ja 2 9 ja 18, 3 2 3 ja 6, cancel. Now the remaining part is what? 93 by 2 2 2 2 2 2 ja 4 4 2 ja 8 8 2 ja 16, 8 2 ja 16. So just a minute. Yeah, see, once again I am doing, see, I think it is visible. 6144 by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4, but this is 372 na, this is 6000, so you will get one more 0 here. 2 30 ja 60, 2 7 14, 2 2 ja 4, one more 2 1 ja 2 15 ja 2 15 ja 30, and 2 3 ja 6, and 1 2 2 6 ja 12, and one more 2 1 ja 2 7 ja 14, 1 2 1 3 13, again 2 6 ja 12, 1 6 2 8 ja 16, again 2 1 ja, and 2 3 ja 6, and 1 6 16, 2 8 ja 16, and 8 2 4 ja, and again 2 1 ja, and 2 1 ja 2, and 8 na 1 8 18, 2 9 ja 18, and 4 2 2 ja 4, and one more 2 2 1 ja, and this is 19, right? 2 8 2 9 ja 18, 1 2 2 6 ja 12, and one more 2 2 1 ja 2 4 ja 8, 1 6 2 8 ja 16. So what is the answer? You will get 48. So 48 is the answer. Understand? Or you can use this divisible method also. Okay, but it is very easy to cancellation method. So what is answer? 48. This 48 is what? The eighth term from end of GP is 48. The eighth term from the end of GP is 48. He is asking what is the eighth term from the end of GP. Any doubt, please ask me from this solution. Any doubt, please ask me.
Sir, understood.
Any doubt? Understood, na?
Yes, sir.
And one more, Nana. Understood, Lucky? Hello.
Understood.
Very nice. So if I gave you questions like this homework, I understood that you can do. That's why I am giving homework. Write the question. Similar questions. Some term from end. Question is, find the sixth term. 14th question in exercise. Find the sixth term from the end of GP 10 comma 8 comma 4 comma 2 comma so on 1 by 512. 15th question, find the fourth term. Find the fourth term from the end of GP, from the end of GP, and the GP series is 2 by 81, 2 by 27, 2 by 9, so on 54. Two questions I gave you. Tell me which one I have to give you here in the class and which one you will do at home as homework.
Sir,
Choice
14th
is
question,
yours.
yes.
14th one,
Yes, sir.
I have to give you 14th one. Huh?
Yes, sir.
15th, will you do 15th?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Lucky, what you say?
14th one.
15th, will you do at home 15th? Yeah, listen. The 14th question is what? Series is given 10 comma 8 comma 4 comma 2 comma so on 1 by 512. This is the series. And the first term, what is the first term? First term, small a is equal to 10. Actually, we will use this a value in this nth term from end, but here that is we have, that's why we are using. And the common ratio, small r is equal to 8 by 10. 8 by 10. So 2 4 ja, 2 5 ja. So that is 4 by 5 is common ratio. What is our value? 4 by 5 we got. And last term, what is the last term? Small l is the notation. What is the last term you are given? 1 by 512. This is the last term. Now nth term, from end is Tn is equal to L by R power n minus 1. Then which term we have to find here? Sixth term. Sixth term is means T6 is equal to L by R power 6 minus 1 is equal to L by R power 5. So T6 we have to find. T6 is equal to L. What is L value? 1 by 512 by what is R? 4 by 5. 4 by 5 whole power. Already we have power 5. R power 5. R is 4 by 5. Okay. Now continuation, listen. See, this is equal to, I am writing 1 by 512 by This 5 we can apply for numerator and denominator. I told you one formula, a by b whole power n is equal to a power n by b power n. This is the formula. So I am applying 4 power 5 by 5 power 5. 4 power 5 by 5 power 5. Now this is equal to 1 by 512 into, I told you this is numerator, this is denominator. If you take numerator, this will be numerator, this will be denominator. That is 5 power 5 by 4 power 5. 5 power 5 by 4 power 5. So this is the remaining part. Just a second. Yeah, see, somewhere we did wrong. This is 10, but not 10 in the question. We have 16. We have 16 in the question. Just now I saw that is 16. For 10 this is correct, but the question is given for 16. So this will be 16. Then A will be 16. Then this will be 16. 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja 16. Okay. Then where we used this R, there we have to write this is 4 by 8. 4 by 8. This is 8 power 5. And this is also 8 power 5. Now simplification we have to do, that is equal to 1 by 512 into, very carefully you have to do, that is 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. 5 times we have, by 4 also, 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 5 times we have 4. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 4 1 ja 4 2 ja cancel. 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 4 1 ja 4 2 ja cancel is equal to, we have 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times we got? 5 times. That is into 1 kada. 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times we have. By what we have? 512. 512. First with 1 2. 2 1 ja. So 2 2 ja 4. 1 again 1 11. 2 5 ja 10. And 1 to 12. 2 6 ja 12. One more. 2 1 ja. 2 1 ja 2. 2 2 ja 4. 1 6 16. 2 8 ja 16. 2 1 ja 2. And 2 6 ja 12. 2 4 ja 8. And 2 1 ja 2. 2 3 ja 6. 2 2 ja 4. And 2 1 ja 2. 2 16 ja 32. And the answer is 1 by 16. Therefore, the sixth term from end is 1 by 16, is 1 by 16. So if you have denominator, I mean, if your fractions, you no need to get confused, you no need to get fear. The power you should apply for numerator and denominator. If your fraction, the power you have to apply for numerator and denominator. Like this you will get. You should apply power like this and then simplify like this. So if you try to write like this, otherwise if you want to cancel directly here, see 2 1 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, 32 1 ja 32, 16 ja 5 12. Directly you can cancel if you know the multiplications. Otherwise you can cancel like that with the 2, with the 3, like that with the small numbers. Then also you'll get the same solution. Understand? So this is the answer for this, and I think you understood. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
No? Right. Just a minute. 14th, already 15th I gave you, and more yesterday we left. 11th question is there, I think. 11th question we have to do. I gave you 12th also has a homework. 11th question is there. And one more thing I want to tell you, please don't feel shy if you don't know, if you'll get a problem, if you'll get difficulty in the solution. If you feel shame, you only will lose. The first class onwards, I am telling you, Jibin, remember this. Okay. If you have doubt, no problem. Just ask. I will 100% give you the solution. So now I will give you the 11th question. This 11th also you can do, I think. I will write question. say me if you are unable to do, then I will give you. Okay. So the 11th question is what? The fourth term in GP is 16. Seventh term in GP is 128. Then find first term and common ratio. Common ratio. First term and common ratio. Yeah, tell me. Will you do or will I give?
Sir, I'll do, sir.
I'll do. Lucky. Similar problem I gave you yesterday.
Sir. Yes, sir.
I think yesterday or before yesterday I gave you. This is
Yesterday.
fourth term. I will give you hint. Fourth term is 16. That means T4 is equal to A R power 4 minus 1 is given 16. In general term formula Tn is equal to A R power n minus 1. Na? By using this, they are not mentioned from end onwards. Na? So we should take this only. T4 is this. That means A R power 3 is equal to 16, equation number 1. And one more is seventh term. Seventh term is what? 128. That means T7 is equal to A R power 7 minus 1 is equal to 128. That is A R power 6 is equal to 128. This is equation number 2. Now you have to divide 2 by 1. Okay. Divide 2 by 1. Then you will get what? 2 into LHS A R power 6 by in 1 LHS A R cube is equal to in 2 RHS 128 by in 1 RHS 16. A cancel, and here with 2 I am doing 2 8 ja 16, 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 1 ja 8 8 ja 16. Now here 3 times cancel, more 3 times is remaining, that is R cube is remaining is equal to 8. We can write 8 as 2 into 2 into 2, that's why R cube is equal to 2 cube we can write. Then cube cancel, R is equal to 2. This R is equal to 2 substitute in equation number 1. In equation number 1, that is what? A R cube is equal to 16. A R is 2, cube is equal to 16. But A 2 cube is what? 2 cube means 8. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. This only is equal to 16. Now 8 1 ja 8, 2 ja 16. So A is equal to what? 2. A is equal to 2. He is asking what? First term, common ratio. This is the first term. Is the first term, and this R is equal to 2 is the common ratio. Common ratio is the common ratio. That only is asking in the question. So I think you can do, but that's why I gave you fastly. But you should compulsory solve with your own. Okay na? So this is a solution, and more one question is there. I will give you in just a minute. If there is time, I will give you. Yeah, one more question, last question for this exercise. I will give you. Listen. Power Venda. Yeah, see. The question is what? The sum of 3 numbers. Listen, this is last example, example 9. The sum of 3 numbers, the sum of 3 numbers in GP is 39 by 10. 39 by 10, and their product is 1, and their product is 1. Is saying what? 3 numbers are there in GP. Their sum is 39 by 10. Their product is 1. The sum of 3 numbers is this, and the product of 3 numbers is this, is saying. Then find the numbers. What are the numbers? He is asking. Find the numbers. I told you yesterday in AP we can take three terms A minus D, A plus D. In GP we can take the terms A by R, A R are the terms. So solution very easy. This is here also we will get factorization. Let the terms A by R, A R. These are the terms. So we have to find what is A, what is R enough. Then you will get the three terms. Now given, let this is T1, this is T2, this is T3. Sum of terms is what is given sum of terms? 39 by 10. 39 by 10. And product is what is the product given? 1. Now I am doing first product. Product means what? T1 into T2 into T3. We should multiply. Is given what? 1. What is T1? A by R. What is T2? A. What is T3? AR is equal to what? 1. But here R will get cancelled. Now A into A square into A cube. A power 1, A power 1, A power 1, A cube is equal to 1. 1 is always 1 cube. Why? Because 1 power anything is always 1. 1 power 100 also 1, 1 power 500 also 1. Now, how sir? 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into, if you multiply 1, how many times you will get 1? 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1. Like that, we can write 1 as 1 cube. Cube cancel, A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 we got. Now, sum of the numbers. What is the sum of the terms means? T1 plus T2 plus T3 is equal to 39 by 10. What is T1? A by R. Plus what is T2? A. What is T3? AR is equal to what? 39 by 10. But A value is 1 we got already. Substitute here. 1 by R plus 1 plus 1 into R, that is R only. 1 into R only is equal to 39 by 10. Since why we are getting 1 1 instead of A, this is the reason. Now I'm writing 1 by R and R one side, that is 1 by R plus R is equal to 39 by 10, and this is number I'm taking right side minus 1. Now LCM I am doing for LHS and RHS, and the LCM for LHS, this is R1 R and 1 as it is, R into R square is equal to, the LCM is 10 and 1 into 39 39 minus 10 1 10. Now 1 plus R square by R is equal to 39 minus 10 is 29 by 10. Now cross multiplication. 10 into this, 10 into 1 plus R square is equal to 29 R. Now 10 1 ja 10. 10 plus 10 into R square, 10 R square is equal to 29 R. Now I'm taking 29 R this side, that is what? 10 R square already there. 29R minus 29R and plus 10 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. Now we have to do factorization. 10 10 ja 100, but you should get what? 39. To get 39, how we can write? That is 25 4 ja 25 4 ja also 100, but 25 plus 4 29. So 10 r square minus 25 r and plus, sorry, minus 4r, minus 25 minus 4 minus 29 plus 10 is equal to 0. From these two I am taking what common? 10 25 we can take 5 and r square r we can take r common. Remaining 2r is there. 5 2 ja 10, r into r square minus already 5 common na, so multiplication means 5 5 ja already r common, that's it. And from 4r and 10 we can take minus 2 common. Why? Because 4 10 are even numbers, we can take only 2 common. We can't take any other number, and minus is there, no? That's why minus I am taking common. If we take 2 common, more 2 is there, and r we are not taking common, no? That's why r is there. And from plus we are taking minus common, no? More minus is there. From 10 we are taking multiple 2 common, more 5 is there. So simply these two you will get same is equal to 0. Now again we can take what common? 2r minus 5 we can take common from these two terms. Then you will get here 5r minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we are applying zero product rule. Zero product rule means this equal to 0, we have to substitute this equal to 0. 0 means RHS. That is 2r minus 5 is equal to 0 or 5r minus 2 is equal to 0. Now 2r is equal to minus 5 if we take that side plus 5 r 5r is equal to minus 2, that's why if you take that's why that will be 2, then r is equal to 5 by 2 or r is equal to 2 by 5. Now if you substitute r equal to first one, r equal to 5 by 2, if you substitute in three terms, what are the three terms? These terms, then you will get what? A by r. What is a? A already we got 1, so 1 by r. R means 5 by 2 comma a 1 comma ar 1 into 5 by 2 is equal to this 5 by 2. 2 will be numerator, I told you previous classes. So 2 into 1 2 by 5 comma 1 comma 1 into 5 5 by 2. This is for r equal to 5 by 2. Next second, what value we got? R equal to 2 by 5. Substitute again 2 by 5 here in the values, then what you will get? First one, a by r 1 by r means 2 by 5 comma a means 1 again ar 1 into 2 by 5. So if you write in the order, that is what you will get. This 2 by 5 will be 5 by 2, 5 by 2 comma 1 comma 1 into 2 by 5, 2 by 5. So these are the terms. He's asking what are the sums, what are the terms? If the sum of the numbers is this, product of the numbers is this, what are the terms? General terms we taken as a by r, a comma a by r in ar in gp. We have to find what are the terms. Depending on a and r values we can find. We apply the given conditions. Sum product of numbers is 1 na? So t1 t2 t3 is 1. Then if you apply product, a value 1 we got, and sum, if you apply sum by substituting a value, this you will get. By simplification, by factorization, you will get like this: a r terms 2 values, and we have to substitute r and a values, each r value and a value. R and a, if you substitute in these three terms, you got this. And r and this a, if you substitute here, you will get one more set. So these are the terms, general terms for the sum and product of those is given numbers. Okay, so this is the solution for this, and if any doubt you can ask me, otherwise I will close the meeting, and please ask me if any doubt.
No, sir.
Lakku, Lucky,
No.
నో నిన్న పంపించాను కదా, వాట్సాప్ లో పంపించాను కదా, రాసుకున్నారా నోట్స్ లో? జిబిన్ రాసావా?
Sir, yes, sir.
I will check tomorrow notes. Remember this.
Okay.
Okay, from starting onwards every page you have to show me.
Okay.
లక్కీ నువ్వు కూడా ఈ చాప్టర్ స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి ప్రతి పేజీలో ఉన్న సొల్యూషన్ నాకు చూపించాలి, లేకపోతే చాలా సీరియస్గా ఉంటుంది. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి ఇద్దరికి. అండ్ హోంవర్క్ కంప్లీట్ చేసి ఉండాలి ప్రతి చాప్టర్ లో. నేను ఇచ్చిన ప్రతి హోంవర్క్ చేసి ఉండాలి. నేను ఎందుకు ఇంత స్ట్రిక్ట్ గా చెప్తున్నానంటే, మీకు రాంది నన్ను అడుగుతున్నారో లేదో నాకు తెలియట్లే. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్ ఆస్క్ మీ. నేను ఫస్ట్ నుంచి అదే చెప్తున్నా, మీరు అడగకపోతే మీకు రాదు. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, నన్ను అడగండి, మంచిగా నేర్చుకోండి, పర్ఫెక్ట్గా ఉండాలి అంతే. హూ ఈజ్ మై స్టూడెంట్ షుడ్ బి పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఇన్ మ్యాథ్స్ అంతే. ఇంకా అరే నువ్వు పవన్ సార్ దగ్గర చెప్పించుకున్నావా అనాలి, అంత పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా ఉండాలి. సో ఎనీ స్మాల్ డౌట్, నో నీడ్ టు ఫీల్ షై, ఆస్క్ మీ. ఐఎమ్ హియర్ టు గివ్ యూ సొల్యూషన్, not only for take money. Remember this. Okay, so I'm closing and I will send the pics through WhatsApp. Yes, thank you. Jibin, leave Jibin. Okay, video on jay. కనిపిస్తున్నానా నేను?
అనిపించట్లే.
అదేంట్రా ఇప్పుడు కనిపిస్తున్నానా? హోంవర్క్ ఖచ్చితంగా చేయాలి. చెయ్యలేదు అని చెప్తే చాలా సీరియస్గా ఉంటుంది, గుర్తుపెట్టుకో. అర్థమైందా? హోంవర్క్ కంపల్సరీ చేయాలి నాన్న. ఎంతసేపు మాక్సిమం ఎంతసేపు స్పెండ్ చేసేది నువ్వు? మాక్సిమం నేను నిన్న ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ ఒకటో రెండో ఉంటాయి. నీకు ఆన్సర్ కంప్లీట్ గా వచ్చిందా రాలేదా అన్నది విషయం కాదు ఇక్కడ. అట్లీస్ట్ నువ్వు ట్రై చేసావంటే నీకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్నట్టు సబ్జెక్ట్ మీద, నువ్వు నేర్చుకోవడానికి ఇష్టపడుతున్నట్టు. నువ్వు ట్రై కూడా చేయలేదని అంటే మమ్మీ నాన్న లేదంటే నా బలవంతానికి వింటున్నట్టు. బలవంతంగా ఎప్పుడు ఏ పని చేయొద్దు, చేస్తే ఫెయిల్ అవుతుంది. అర్థమైందా నేను చెప్పేది? అర్థమవుతుందా? బలవంతంగా ఎప్పుడు చేయొద్దు, ఇష్టంగా చేయాలి, అప్పుడు సక్సెస్ అవుతుంది, గుర్తుపెట్టుకో. సో నువ్వు నేర్చుకునేది నీకు ఓన్లీ క్లాస్లో ఉపయోగపడేది కాదు. ఇది ఇంటర్లో, డిగ్రీలో, పీజీలో ఎప్పుడూ ఉపయోగపడుతుంది అనమాట ఈ ఏపీ జీపీ హెచ్పి అనేది. అందుకనే నేను మమ్మీతో చెప్పి ఇంత స్లోగా నేను ఎందుకు అసలు ఎన్ని సమ్ములు అయితే చెప్పనా, రోజు కనీసం ఇంకొక 2-3 ఎక్కువ అయ్యేటి. అండ్ అంత చిన్న చిన్న ప్రతి చిన్న ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ కి నేను పక్కన ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ చెప్తున్నానా లేదా నీకు? అదంతా వాడికి నేను చెప్పను, నువ్వు ఉన్నావు కాబట్టి క్లాస్లో నువ్వు వింటావు అని చెప్తున్నా. సరే ఎట్లా నాకు కూడా యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతుంది కదా సార్, నేను కూడా వింటా, చెప్పండి అన్నాడు వాడు. నీ కోసమే అంత చిన్నగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకుంటూ ప్రతి క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేసుకుంటూ చేస్తున్నా. సో నేను అలా చేసినప్పుడు నువ్వు నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేస్తే నాకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటుందా? ఉంటుందా? చెప్తాలి, ఉండదుగా. కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ నువ్వు ఫ్రెష్ అప్ అయిన తర్వాత ఫస్ట్ నేను ఇచ్చిన వర్క్ చేయి, దెన్ ఎంజాయ్. ఓకేనా? మళ్ళీ సడన్ గా నేను ఏ టైంలో క్లాస్ ఉంటానో నాకే తెలియదు. నేను ఎప్పుడు చెప్పినా వాడు రెడీగా ఉంటాడు వినడానికి. అలా ఉండాలి. ఓకే? నీకు ఏది రాకపోయినా నాకు ఫోన్ చేయి, మామయ్య ఇలా చేస్తే ఇలా వస్తుంది, ఫోటో తీసి పెట్టు, మామయ్య ఇట్లా చేశాను కరెక్టా కాదా. అర్థమైందా నేను చెప్పేది నీకు? నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేయకు తల్లి, చెప్తున్నా. ఎవరు ఇట్లా చెప్పేటోళ్ళు దొరకరు, నాకు తెలుసు. అర్థమైందా? ఓకేనా? ఏం
ఓకే.
చేస్తుంది మమ్మీ? సరే వెళ్ళి ఫ్రెష్ అప్ అయ్యి ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ కూర్చో, సరిపోతుంది. ఓకేనా? ఏది నోట్స్ చూపెట్టు, ఎందులో రాస్తున్నావు? ఏదే బ్యాక్ కెమెరా ఆన్ చేయి. పైన ఉంటది బ్యాక్ కెమెరా, పైన 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 లెఫ్ట్. రైట్. ఓ వావ్, భలే ఉంది తల్లి నీ రైటింగ్. వావ్, ఇది హోంవర్క్ కానే? ఓ వెరీ నైస్ బేటా. నువ్వు ఒక పని చేయనా, నువ్వు చేసిన హోంవర్క్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నాకు ఒకసారి వాట్సాప్ లో ఫోటోలు పెట్టు, నేను కరెక్ట్ కాదు చెక్ చేస్తా. సరేనా? ఓకేనా నాన్న? పెట్టేసి ఇవి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేసుకో తర్వాత. చూడు పొట్టోడైతే బుద్ధి లేదు వానికి. అరే లగ్గకరా లగ్గకరా. అక్క హాయ్ చెప్పు, హాయ్ 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 చెప్పు. సరేలే నాన్న, బాయ్ మరి.
బాయ్.